This is what I call the enchanted forest. It's at the very end of our property. Well, not really actually, because you can actually get across the creek and the property keeps going. But this is an absolutely beautiful spot. The creek is flowing. Lovely spot for picnics and wine drinking. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to walk the property and talk about my plans for building. There are 3 dwellings I want to make. A cob house, a small log cabin, and my tiny house on wheels. So this first clearing up here is where the tiny house is going to go. It's beautiful, high and dry spot. The tiny house is going to be off grid, so it's perfect to be tucked in the back 40 here. We have, I think, pushing at least 45, maybe even closer to 50 acres, so it's a beautiful big piece of land. And this is going to be where the cob house goes. Beautiful big trees. That's the neighbor's property. And you can actually hear the stream, which is down in there. And there's a mountain through there that you can actually see this time of year because there's no leaves on the trees. And a big sawmill creek runs along the edge there. So walking back along here, we'll be able to see where the other bits are. So I just love that there's this beautiful roadway all the way back. This roadway actually circles the property all the way on the other side as well. There's these little pathways and little clearings in there where you could actually pitch a tent. There's quite a few of them along the way. There's another one. Little bits of snow in there still. Gives you a sense of the scale of the property, how long it's taking me to get back here. Okay, so now coming up on another area. Well, that's a cool little pathway through as well. It's quite wet this time of year. Okay, so here's where the little wooden log cabin's going to go. Right here. And those bushes are all blueberries. And so I visualize tucking the wood cabin in behind the blueberry bushes back in there so that you can be surrounded by blueberries, which is so awesome. So then we're now coming to the front of the property. You can actually see our little RV off in the distance. And up here, you can see the Bay of Fundy right over there, which is fabulous. That's the neighbor's property over there. It's green acres up here. Everyone's got farm animals. They've got sheep, pigs, cows, horses, chickens. And so I think the very first thing I'm going to build is going to be my tiny house. And it's going to be parked up here. So it's going to go somewhere over here. Either right in here or, yeah, I think somewhere in here. And it's going to face that, which is pretty close to south facing, but also you can see the view of the Bay of Fundy, especially now with the leaves off the trees. So yeah, so there you have it. It's a beautiful piece of land, and the building is going to start this summer, and I will keep you posted on all my different projects.